Welcome to my presentation on Workshop 11's Dungeon Game. About the plot. The game is set in a post-apocalyptic time. The player is trapped at the bottom of a staircase and the goal is to escape, and the only tool you have is your flashlight with only 4 hours of use. The player must efficiently explore hallways and rooms in hopes of escaping, but returning back to the starting point before running out of the flashlight battery. The game rooms. The player will start in a hallway. The player is able to move 9 times before reaching the end. At the end, they will meet a two-way intersection. Minigame rooms. When entering the room, a minigame will be played either tic-tac-toe or hangman. The amount of time they spend in this room depends on their performance in the game, as winning or losing increases their time explored differently. Player moves. Moving forward. When in a hallway, the player must attempt to navigate to the end by moving forward. Each move is 5 steps, and the player must check if there are any rooms they may enter after each move. If so, they must enter the room. Changing direction. Once the player has reached the end of the hallway, the player must choose to either go right or left into the next hallway. The player cannot make 2 consecutive right or left turns. Once they have chosen a direction, their next turn will always be the opposite of the last. Turning back. At any point except minigames, the player must stop their journey to turn around and make the journey back to the start. After making their journey back, they cannot explore any new rooms. In this time, they will recall their steps, but if the flashlight runs out during this time, the player loses. Room A. Rules of Tic-Tac-Toe. When entering Room A, the player is prompted to play a traditional game of tic-tac-toe. The player must play against an AI. A random number is generated to determine who plays first. Presented with a 3x3 grid, the player must choose to place an X on one of the slots, and the AI will make its move. This process is repeated until the game is completed. Once a row of 3 X's or O's is made, a winner is declared. If no row of 3's were presented and all slots have been occupied, the game is a draw and the next game begins. The first player to win 3 games is declared the winner. No time is added on a round-winning move. Each move the player makes, 2 minutes is added to the time explored. Each tied round, 3 minutes is added to the time explored. Each losing round, 7 minutes is added to the time explored. Room B. Rules of Hangman. The player is presented with a 5 to 15 blank spaces representing a word. The player must then guess letters from that word, and if they are correct, the corresponding spaces will be filled with that letter. If the player thinks that they know the word, they may attempt to guess the word and solve the puzzle. The player must play 1 game of Hangman before leaving to the next hallway. Time penalties. Each correct guess on a character adds 2 minutes to the time explored. Each incorrect character guess, the game adds 2 minutes to the time explored. If the player attempts to guess the word and is incorrect, the game adds 15 minutes to the time explored, and the player continues to complete the word. If the player correctly guesses the word, the game is won and the player progresses to the next hallway with only 4 minutes added to the explored time. Winning and losing. Win condition. The player is successful in returning back to the starting position by the time the flashlight battery is depleted. The game is won and their score is presented to them. The lose condition. The player is unsuccessful in returning back to the starting position by the time the flashlight battery is depleted. The game is lost and their score is presented to them. Time check. As the players progress through the game, they are presented with a time check. This tells the player that their battery spent walking, plus the average battery lost during minigames, is within 20% of half the maximum battery life. This provides a risk factor as it is telling the player that their battery is